Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Make sure your Chromecast and VR headset are on the same Wi-Fi network, because casting requires device discovery on a single LAN. Once done, update the Chromecast firmware and the VR app to avoid compatibility hiccups. Next, power the headset and mobile device above half charge and open the VR app. Grant any permissions it asks for. This initial alignment prevents common connection failures and prepares devices for the next pairing phase. Now you'll continue by initiating the actual casting connection and handling the complex middle steps. In the VR app, open the cast menu and select your Chromecast. This tells the app to stream rendered frames to the TV. If you're casting the phone screen, enable the operating system's cast screen feature and pick the same Chromecast model. Make sure to accept pairing prompts on both the TV and the headset. Those confirmations complete the handshake. Once accepted, wait for on-screen confirmation and a short buffer while the stream stabilizes. Finish the setup by finalizing output and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Once the cast is live, set audio to either the TV or headset to avoid echo. Make sure volume levels match. If you experience lag or stutter, lower the stream bitrate in the app, move devices closer to the router, or switch Wi-Fi channels. Make sure other heavy network users pause uploads. If problems persist, reboot the Chromecast, then the headset, then your phone. This ordered restart often clears lingering session conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.